Are you ready to dive into the ever-changing landscape of real estate? It's a thrilling journey, with a recent surge in available homes stirring up the market. But this isn't your typical shopping spree. Imagine searching for a needle in a haystack, but with a catch. You're not alone. You're joined by others, all vying for the same elusive needle. So yes, we've got more homes, but also more competition. More homes on the market? Great. Now if only they came with a buy one, get one free deal, we'd be in business. For years, homebuyers have faced the daunting challenge of limited housing options. It's a peculiar conundrum, an all-you-can-eat buffet where the menu is dominated by a single dish. Now imagine the buffet gets bigger, but it's filled with more of the same, not necessarily what you're craving for. That's what it's like for homebuyers today. The surge in housing inventory is a double-edged sword. Sure, there's more to choose from, but it's like walking into a garage sale instead of a luxury showroom. The search for the perfect home is transformed into a thrilling yet exhausting reality show with twists and turns at every corner. Looking for a home these days feels like being a contestant on a reality TV show. Plenty of drama, a few surprises, and always a race against the clock. But fear not, because with inventory up, it's like the housing market is finally saying, "Hey, here are some options." Yes, it's a bit like a treasure hunt with countless listings waiting to be discovered. So how do you tackle this vast sea of opportunities? Simple. You grab your magnifying glass, metaphorically speaking, and enlist the aid of a trusted real estate agent. Think of them as your seasoned guide, leading you through the labyrinth of home listings. They'll help you decipher the cryptic language of real estate, dodge the pitfalls, and even unearth hidden gems. Together you'll navigate this maze, step by step, until you finally stumble upon your dream home. So grab your magnifying glass and enlist the help of a trusted real estate agent. Together, you'll navigate through the maze of listings and hopefully emerge victorious in finding your dream home.